Hello investors, the stock of the day today is Premier Energy Private Limited. So this company is into solar industry. Basically they manufacture solar cells and solar modules as well. So unlike any other peers in the industry, including Wari Technologies, they don't manufacture solar cells. Just decoding that, we have photovoltaic panels, the panels which you see everywhere. So that is the panel. So each panel is having solar cells. So this solar cells is made up of silicon wafers. So majority of the silicon wafers and its manufacturing happens in China and everything is imported by other companies. So the major margin goes off in solar cells. So including Wari Technology, they import solar cells and then they make the panel, they assemble it in the panel and then do a EPC job. But in case of Premier Energy, they does end to end, starting from the solar cells, then making the solar module, then installing it, then commissioning it, and they do a EPC job end to end. So they are fully backward integrated EPC player. They have better control over the cost and hence their margin. So it is seen in their margin, more than 20% margin. Then they have a good ROCE above 25% and their cash flows are also good. Their EBIT and cash flow from operating activity also, if you compare, then it is more than 70%. So it is also a good indication. Very low debt, and also you are aware that we have very less number of solar industry based companies listed in India. So this is one of the attractive share. Yes, the valuations are not that attractive, not a value buy as such. It has fallen fairly during this market correction, and compared to its peers, the valuations are desirable. But then, unlike a value buy, this is more of a future business buy. The PE ratios and the price to book ratios is already on a slightly higher side, unlike our old value buys, wherein the market has slightly priced in their future business. But then they have made a joint venture 1 year back in May 2025, with a company named Sino-American Wafer Products, a Taiwanese company, not a Chinese, note it. And they are going to manufacture solar wafers in Andhra Pradesh. So to start with, they are coming up with a 2 gigawatt electrical silicon wafer manufacturing, which majority of the players don't do that in India, but they are going to start it. Yes, Adani has their own wafer manufacturing plant in Gujarat, but then on a medium scale player, Premier Energy is going to excel in this. The possible risk here is that they have pricing pressure from Chinese imports. They have large players here, including Adani. So how they sail through the peer pressure is something which is important. So I have started buying into this stock. Yes, position sizing is very important. You have to gradually enter into any of the stock as the market may further correct going forward. But then this is not a stock recommendation at all, because I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. But then what I am buying, as I committed to you, I am sharing with you. So based on your discretion, you do your own analysis and see if this will create value going forward. If you ask me, this company is having a unique mode of end-to-end manufacturing in solar photovoltaic units. So the government's push of net zero and reducing its emission. So solar energy is going to play a vital role here. Let's see how it pans out going forward. So stock of the day, Premier Energy Limited. Stay invested. See you in next video. Till then, happy investing.